Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I'm gonna show you this house today. That's what's interesting about all this, and we are just reading it. You don't listen. That's what people write in the walls. And we have a huge leak right there. And honey, I'm gonna need your help with the light. If you can give me some. Yay! I was trying to do this video before, but I don't have flashlight, so you cannot see it. I'm not gonna put you in video, don't worry. So this is how it looks. It has a nice fireplace, very ugly carpet, and it smells terrible. And let's go to the third floor. And then we're gonna go opposite direction from second floor to third. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Thank you. And third floor, do we have more bedrooms here? Not really. It's maybe considered as a bedroom.
I mean, you could split it in half.
You think we can do 2 bedrooms here?
I mean, there's like shelves and stuff, maybe. No, the ceilings are too low.
Yeah, but it's strange. Did you see the leak on the second floor? But here it's look okay, right?
Yeah,
oh, probably from there, yeah. So there is some problem with the roof. And let's go on the first floor, and then I'm gonna show you house from outside, how it's look. I'm gonna go completely wrong way today. So maybe we have 2 bedrooms on the third floor, 2 bedrooms right here, and then we are going downstairs. Yeah. And we have a closet right here, and this is main entrance. So some fireplace, carpet that need to be pulled down, out, down. Not bad here. And one more room and kitchen, right? Do we have? Yeah. This was the leak we were talking about, another one. And fireplace. What would you do with the fireplace? Why does it look like this? Oh, it just spilled paint, huh? Okay. And this is kitchen. Yep. Floor. Okay, floor I would say. And this is bathroom. This is only bathroom in this house, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just one bathroom. Which was the addition.
Also very weird that bathrooms in the kitchen.
Yeah. Okay. And let me show you house from outside. Would you please close? Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's how it's look from outside. Just put it in. I'm gonna do it right now. And this is how it looks from outside. And this is in a very busy street. Again, we were talking about the street over and over. And if you want the address, this is the address. And this house is for sale for $9,000. Catch here that house has been tagged by city, which means that you need to do all the work very, very fast. And this is another house next to it, which is abandoned too. But other than this, see how it looks. So we pass on this house, but if you feel like you're handy and you have time to do it and willing to work, may be interesting for you. If you like the video, please like it, I appreciate you guys. Bye.